Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. You guys are the first sign where it's just like cut and dry, straight to the point. Thank y'all. So let me tell you what I'm picking up on. I'm feeling like, y'all, this is definitely past person. So if you were hoping for somebody new, I'm sorry. This is the energy I'm picking up for the collective. So whoever you were dealing with in the past, I'm feeling like they're trying to get out of some type of commitment, relationship, marriage with someone else that they've been dealing with. The holdup is because of something pertaining to finances. So either they have like assets or something tied in with this other person. They could be worried that by leaving this other person, they could go after them financially speaking. Or for some of you out there, I'm feeling like this person, they're getting ready to just walk away from whatever commitment they have with this person. And right now, their main focus is on their career and their finances. So, y'all, 3 different ways, take it however it fits. But whoever this is your soulmate. This is your person. And y'all know it. And some of y'all, it makes y'all sick because y'all are over it. Y'all are so over it. You're like, bring me somebody new because I'm tired. But yeah, this is your person. So let's just see how this plays out. All right, Spirit. What's going on with my Virgos, please? Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Fool reverse. So, yeah, overall energy, somebody's not taking a leap. Right, I told you somebody needs to get out of some type of situation that they're in, but they're not making a move just yet. So, I'm seeing here that somebody's coming out of being frustrated about a situation. Tell me more. Because they want to balance things out. So, somebody chooses you. They want to move forward. Look at that. They want to have a new beginning with you. They definitely want a new opportunity. But basically, by them coming towards you, this is going to start a lot of arguments with other people. This is going to be an issue. Tell me more. This is why I feel like they've been battling themselves, trying to figure out what exactly to do. Because, see, the 8 of Swords tried to jump out. Yeah, they were feeling stuck in a situation and they want to free themselves. See, this person's coming out of being frustrated. I'm seeing it twice. And they were moving slow because of some type of, like, financial situation. Tell me more. Yep, but whoever this is, they get ready to pick up the pace. They get ready to make a move. But they're back and forth on whether or not they're going to be able to have a new opportunity with you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person knows that they hurt you. See, there's a Scorpio. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign here. I feel like because of the fact that they hurt you, they took too long staying in the situation, they're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And this person is having a hard time with that. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. See? But a decision will be made. Tell me more. Okay. But they're having a hard time. It's like, I feel like they know what they want to do, but they're just having a hard time basically taking action. Because I'm seeing here that this person is worried. Yep, about removing themselves out of a third-party situation. See? Didn't I tell y'all? This person is trying to release an ex. They're trying to get out of some type of commitment that they're in. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Tell me more. See? Didn't I just say they're having a hard time? I can't make this up. They're having a hard time removing themselves out of this situation, and they're having a hard time because they're regretting everything that they put you in. But see, there's definitely interference here with someone else, and I feel like this is the ex, or this is like some type of family situation here. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person definitely wants things to improve with you. And they're wanting things to improve financially speaking. I'm telling y'all, whatever whatever this situation is, whether it's with an ex, family, whatever, I'm telling you, by them walking away from this other person, somebody's going to take a hit financially speaking, which is why they're focusing on their finances and their career. They're trying to make sure things are okay because they're ready to take a hit. Somebody's about to take a hit. Look at that. By cutting things off. And they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Yeah, because this other person had other options. But I'm picking up that this person's trying to make the best decision. You know, and this is why in the past they were just moving really slow. Tell me more. See? Seven of Swords tried to come out. Yeah, they had other options. Somebody was definitely being sneaky. The way that they were moving. Could be dealing with an Aries, but yeah, this person, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to offer you anything, you know, if stability-wise is not there. This is why there's a lot of focus here on making sure, financially speaking, they're okay. See? There's some type of truth that's getting ready to come out about this ex. See? And this is why they left you out in the cold, because of this person. They're wanting to heal things with you. But see, they're going to let you know they removed themselves from that third-party situation. See, they're walking away. I mean, this is straight to the point, cut and dry. Virgo, I'm telling you, whoever you were dealing with in the past, and they were dealing with someone else, they're getting ready to walk away. I mean, hands down. They're getting ready to walk. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But see, this person is still dragging their feet a little bit. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But see, I'm telling you, they're dragging their feet because of money. They're feeling like there's not going to be any balance. Once they leave, something's going to happen. Either they were codependent to this person, this other person's codependent to them, financially speaking. Or like I was telling y'all, somebody's going to go after them. Back and forth with the Seven of Wands. I'm telling you, it's like they're trying not to worry about this too much, but they're frustrated. But while they're kind of going through this energy, they're trying to clear away obstacles so they can make this happen. They want to come towards you. But in the meantime, they are keeping a close eye on you. Because right now, there's no balance in their situation. So they're like, I can't go to Virgo right now. Or a cross watcher, if you're dealing with Virgo, they can't come towards you until they get this mess cleared away. They have to walk away from this other person. See, they're feeling stuck. I can't make this up. They're feeling stuck right now in their situation. And it is right now all because of finances. Like, they know, hands down, they don't want to be with this person. They're tired of, feeling stuck in this situation and they want out. But it's because of money. They're waiting on some type of decision, or they're trying to make a decision when it comes to their finances with this person. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. See? This person, yes, they were being sneaky in the past, but I feel like this person is trying to figure out how to sneak away from this situation or how to get out of it. But they're moving really, I'm not going to say they're moving funny, but I feel like they're trying to keep it low-key. So if they're still in a situation with someone else, I feel like that person is thinking like, oh, everything's fine, we're good, blah, blah, blah. But this person is making plans behind the scenes because they want out, Yep, but this is their lesson. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo. But this person, right now, they're reflecting on everything because I'm seeing that they're going to make a decision. And see, they're sad. This person's going to open up and speak their truth to you. But they got to make a decision first. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. This is why they're moving slow. I told y'all, they're trying to make a decision on when and how to get out of the situation. But for some of them, if it is some type of legal situation that is either currently taking place or it will take place, they're going to have to wait on a judgment. And that's why they're still moving slow. Yep, because somebody's getting out of some type of family situation here. But while they're going through this process, I'm telling you, they're going to come back towards you and they're going to give you an offer here. It is a small offer to start over, but I'm telling y'all, they're focusing on them. They're trying to heal things. They're trying to make sure they're together because look, I can't make this up. They're taking a financial hit. Look, because of a home situation, leaving a home, leaving a family. But right now, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. See? But they're not moving forward just yet. I told you, they're trying to get this situation squared away first. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody also could be dealing with a Leo. This is so weird. Why, when I just saw these two cards, yes, those are zodiac signs, but why am I picking up that this situation could take place in the summer where they could actually start the process of really walking away from this person July, August, or Cancer season, Leo season. actually been picking up on that a lot. Like when it comes to soulmates, definitely twins, there is something taking place. I feel like I keep picking up April to August. But it just depends on everybody's situation. See? Because they want a victory with you. They don't have the strength to come towards you right now. They're not moving forward right now. But they do want a victory with you. Look at that. They want a commitment with you. They want a marriage with you. They want a new beginning. I can't make this up. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. And see, they're going to rush back in. I'm telling you, as soon as they get out of this situation, they're coming fast, Virgo. This person is coming really fast. Look, I can't make this up. They're going to give you the offer that you deserve. But they're afraid that things may not improve. Yeah. Because it's like they're afraid you're going to cut them off because they took too long. They played too many games with you. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But this person, they see the truth. They're cutting through the BS. They're coming to give you the offer that you deserve. See, after they freed themselves from a situation that they're in, that they were feeling stuck in. Because right now, this person isn't being positive. You know, they don't have confidence to come towards you. But you're going to get an apology from them. But they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them for good. You know, you're going to walk away. And they know they're going to have to put in the work. I don't know why. I'm telling you, something's happening with whoever this is resonating for. Summer. I don't know why I keep picking up summer. July, August. Y'all know I can see it a little far out. But, you know, free will's at play. Anything can change. But I don't know who I'm talking to right now. It's the summer. I feel like they could be taking the steps to do this, and maybe you guys are going to move forward in the summer. But, yeah, see? Justice. Your justice is going to be served. Somebody is going to be going through some type of court or legal situation. I cannot make this up. You could be dealing with a Libra. See? This person, they're not happy. They're not happy at all because they know your guard is up. See? There you are. I can't make this up. Your guard is up, Virgo. And they know you're moving on. And this is why they're undecided about what to do. See? Because they want to heal things with you. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But right now, they can't move forward with you just yet. They're still going through lessons. There's still something that they have to learn, see? And it is revolving around money because they want to be with you. They want to have stability with you. But there's still somebody holding on to them, or they're holding on because of financial reasons. See, family situation, somebody from their past, somebody they could have children with. But I'm telling you, they're going to come back and give you an offer, Virgo. They're coming. But Spirit is saying this person, they're not listening to their intuition because they're not talking. They need to open up and speak their truth to you. See? But I just said that. They need to open up and speak their truth. I can't make this up. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces here. See, there's communication coming in. This person will reach out, but they're hesitating because they did betray your trust. They hurt you. They stabbed you in the back. But the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But see, you're going to get the offer that you deserve. This person definitely wants to start over and build with you, but right now they're not taking that leap until they get out of a situation that they're in. Virgo, I can't make this up. Somebody, they're coming to you, but it's still going to take a little bit of time, so I want y'all to keep focusing on you. But this person's coming back. Virgo, please leave me some comments. We're going to have to check the temperature July and August.